Okay, so in here we're going to talk about the structures of the urinary system, the major structures, and how urine is transported from one place into another. So in here we have the kidneys that produces the urine, and then the urine is going to be transported through this hollow tube that it is called the ureter. The ureter is going to bring the urine into the urinary bladder, which is this, and this urinary bladder is having three different layers. So it has this mucosa that folds, and these foldings are called the rugae. This is the male counterpart, and this is the female counterpart. So we have here as well the urinary bladder in the female with the rugae. Now the second layer, this layer is called the detrusor muscle. It's made out of smooth muscle cells. And then we have this covering part of the superior part of the urinary bladder that is made out of peritoneum. Now the detrusor muscle then is made out of different layers of smooth muscle that you can see here. And from there, once your urine it is transported from the ureter into the urinary bladder, it will reach an area that it is in between the opening of the two ureters and the opening of the urethra that we call the trigone. So this is the trigone. So it's smoother than the rugae, as you can see here. And then from here, the urine is going to be transported into the urethra. Now this is the neck of the urinary bladder, and in here we have the internal urethral sphincter. This sphincter is made out of smooth muscle cells, so this is involuntary. So it will be here at the neck of the urinary bladder. Now from there, once you fill the urinary bladder and you void the urine, this sphincter will open up and the urine will move from here following the course of the urethra. Now in males, the urethra has three portions. This is the prostatic urethra, this is the membranous urethra, and this is the penile or spongy urethra. And in females, as you can see, the urethra is short. So the females have greater chances of having UTIs or urinary tract infections because the bacteria has to run into a shorter distance than for the males. And then in here, we have the external urethral sphincter, that it is made of skeletal muscle, and that controls the voiding of the urine. So this is then all the structures of the urinary system.